If this is not art, then what will I call it? This is art. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Clayoni and we're back on doing our next reaction for the girl group XG. Last time I made my first reaction to XG for their Walk Up and I was like, oh my goodness, this girl is so good and I have to check more, like a lot of their songs. So I told to myself that I had to check more of XG's song and more of their music video and more of their songs. So people recommended me to do the Howling reaction for my next entry in Stunning Days group. So let's go guys, let's check XG's Howling official music video. I wonder what the song would be like. It's out of this world again. Ooh, we have another story here. Is that like Attack on Titan? Oh, QR code! Well, is this like connected to the Walk Up? Or I actually have no idea. But yeah, I think Walk Up is like they released it earlier than this. So I was wondering if this connected because the story. Oh! So it is connected to Walk Up. Okay, rap. Ah! Dude, what? Ah! I have to repeat that. I have to repeat that. Oh! Game of Hunger? Like Hunger Games? Oh! Ooh, what was that? They were cooking what? That is crazy! I was scared and so like, oh, what are we getting here? Oh! This is my first time hearing their like vocals, okay? I mean, they were all rapping and woke up, so I have to go back. Only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up and blessed, so I must be a killer. Way out when it fades out, can hide in the dark. Cause when the moonlight and the full rise is glowing down, nothing can stop her and dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if it is sound. Cause that's how we howl. My goodness, this isn't just art. There has story in it. There was like I love the vocal. They made like another version of like the woke up, and there's another story in here, and they make it like the pack grew. I love to. Moonwalk on a rooftop. Oh, moonwalking. Huddle up, bringing the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down, and you know how we adapt. Touchdown, they were fighting. Cut the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang, cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed, never sees. I got I love this silhouette. There's a lot of tribes, you know, they have like different kind of tribe, each of them. And they were fighting and who wanted to rule the world. Like a group of wild, no choice but to choose the violence. I'm having goosebumps for I'm having goosebumps for Southern. This is war! Woo! I love that part. The dance practice of this movie is so crazy. This is war! This is so like movie like. Ah! That was amazing. The director did a good job. It was like a nice climax and cinematography there. I think they are what, like all of the members of the group. If this is not art, then what will I call it? This is art. Guys, look at the pattern. Look at how good it looks. I, I'm addicted to this. Whoa! Oh, they really work with that. This is lit. This is lit. This is lit. The final boss. Ah! It's done. It's done. The war is over. Wow! We were doomed. If that wasn't art, how what will I call it? I mean, the walk up has a story. Like they went to the earth and something happened and they were controlling and they're colonize all of us. Yeah, the upper line being like the warriors, you know, the people rapping, doing the warriors, and like those who are the vocal, the goddess. Yeah, we have like the goddess or the fairies. They're doing the vocal for not the rap, and it was like contrary. You know, the warriors are rapping like yeah, I'm going to fight you, and we have like who are the vocals of the girls. And yeah, I think XG should release a movie with their concept. The movie felt so good, and I was like watching a small movie at the short time. And I mean, forget getting like this is not just the best music video awards goes to XG. It's not just like a music video. We deserve an Oscar for this. That was so hella good. Yeah, I think there was a lot of symbol for this music video and for this song. Like we saw alien arriving and destroying the the earth, and we also have like an army of alphas with pack. Um, I think this is incredible. The NB is the storyline is good, and this is just so amazing. 20 out of 10 for me, or maybe I can make it 100 out of 10. Wow, XG, you got me there. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see more. And I was so hyped to hear more of their vocals and also see their dance practice. Yeah, I'm so curious about their dance practice as well. So if you guys any have more recommendations, I know that you guys already recommended before. You told me what song to react, what part if I love like ballad or if I love to hear vocals, you tell me. But yeah, don't forget to also put your comment and tell me what do you think about this music video as well. If I miss some point, like if I miss some kind of meaning or kind of like storyline in this MV, please comment down and let's talk about it together. This is Chloe Stunning XG from now on, and see you again for my next reaction. Woo-hoo-hoo!